Welcome to Mrs. L's Math World. Today we will continue to talk about the basic rule. So let's see the example. So this time for the focus is actually on a function. Because y is actually a kind of function, if we use the g of x to represent, that means we can use the notation directly called g prime x. So it means differentiate the function, and it means g prime x in this way. And after that, we can substitute a value to find the particular values. So that means with respect to x means x is the variable. It's called with respect to x. So other things, they are considered as constant. So let's continue to see how to differentiate the function. And after that, we substitute x equals 3 to find the derivative when x equals to 3. So we still use part D, the basic rule. So for addition, we can do that one by one. Okay, differentiate one by one. So 4x goes to 4. When we differentiate, and negative 9, the derivative is 0. So that means we get g prime x to be 9x squared plus 4. And then we substitute x equals 3 in part 2 to continue. After we calculate, we get 85 as the result. So basically, the differentiation skill is usual. That means nothing special. And we go forward to example 4.4. So this time you can see that for the function, all of them are multiplied together, not addition nor subtraction, right? So to do so, we need to make them to be one term adding the other term. So that means we have to expand the expressions one by one. Alright? So for part A, we expand it one by one. So as they are like terms, so we group them together. So after that, we differentiate it term by term. And simplify so that you can get the result. And for part B, the rule is similar, but don't forget that we have to handle the radical sign before we expand the function. So why not we expand it and handle the power of x to the power 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So for whatever, you may do the addition yourself. So after that, differentiate it one by one. And the first one we get 0 by using property A. And for the rest of them, we do it as usual. -1 for the power, 2 over 3 minus 1 is negative 1 over 3. I have a bracket to add it. The power in front of it again, and minus 1 it is still positive. And then we simplify it and we can get the answer. So let's move on to part C. So part C we get a power 4. That means we are multiplying the expression again and again. So we still need to expand it by using the Pascal triangle. So one round we expand it, and you can get all this. So the 4, 6, 4 are the coefficients of the Pascal triangle. And then, so we calculate carefully and get the conclusion. So after calculating, you get this one as the expanded function. So let's continue to check its derivative. It should be f of x. So for the rest of them, it's just differentiate it as usual. Let it go one by one. So this one, remember, you get 0 after you differentiate it. And at last, you will get 4 terms as a result. Right? So this part, it means the most important thing to expand all the terms before you do any differentiation. So this is the end of the first part of differentiation, which is about the basic rule. See you next time.